In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable dark mode on Chrome in just one click. This is a super quick way to change the look of your browser, make it easier on your eyes, and switch back to a brighter theme whenever you want. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, press Ctrl and T on your keyboard to open a brand new tab. You'll know it worked when a new tab appears right away. Now look at the bottom right corner of the Chrome window and click Customize Chrome. This opens the customization panel where you can change the appearance of your browser. Inside this menu, you'll see the theme options. To turn on dark mode, click dark. As soon as you select it, Chrome will switch to a darker look across the browser interface. If you want to turn dark mode off and go back to the lighter theme, just open Customize Chrome again and click Light. That's all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you can switch Chrome between dark mode and light mode anytime you want. This is a great trick if you work at night, want a more comfortable viewing experience, or just prefer a different style for your browser. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.